How to set different images for iPhone lock screen and home screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. You can also access the wallpaper gallery by touching and holding the lock screen. Now, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. Scroll down to view and explore all the wallpaper suggestions below. Tap on any wallpaper from here to get a preview. If you want to set this as your wallpaper, then go to the top right corner and tap on Add. Here, tap on Customize Home Screen below. You can now edit the home screen as you like. You can change the color, gradient, and also blur the background if you want. On the home screen setup, tap on Photo below to choose a different image. Browse your library and tap on a different picture for the home screen. Adjust the position and zoom so it fits the way you prefer. Then, tap on Done at the top right to apply the home screen image. Tap on Done again to finish and save both wallpapers. You will see previews showing the lock screen and home screen set to different images. Following these steps, you can easily set different images for iPhone lock screen and home screen.